What is affiliate marketing? For example, you're a well-recognized person on online platforms. Companies that have a product or a service request you to promote them, and in exchange, you get a commission if people buy their products through your online platforms. The objective here is to gain exposure to a larger audience by both parties working together, increasing your chances of sales and commissions. Affiliate programs have their own niches, which is determined by public interest, market demand, consumer preference, expertise, and many more. Pros: starting capital is quite less, as manufacturing and inventory management of products is not your concern. Affiliates earn income through links even while not promoting. Affiliate marketing is an emerging market, as getting to a larger demographic is easily done online. Cons: as affiliates rely on merchants to earn commissions, they don't have much choice over earning rates, payment schedule, terms, and conditions. Other issues are if merchant goes out of business or merchant gets better affiliates. Most importantly, being good in sales is more important than fame. A mischaracterization of a product or a service can send the wrong message and drive potential customers away, harming your affiliate sales. Thanks for watching.